But before we start on the GrabFood adventure, I want to share with you guys about in regards to this delivery rack. Okay, so this area I've readjusted. This delivery rack I've readjusted. Earlier on, I asked you guys in the very first video, I asked you guys to mount onto these two holes over here. Okay, but I realized that it was too close to the seat, because when I put my big bag, I mean, if you guys have this big bag lah, if not, I don't think it matters too much lah. Okay, so in the event if you guys have this kind of big bag, I'm not too sure about version 4, I'm not too sure about the backpack, but the small mini walker bag, I think it shouldn't be a problem mounting onto these two holes. So I readjusted, I move it a little bit lower, so that when I put this bag over here, okay, there will be some allowance for me. If not, it will be quite uncomfortable lah. Okay, so at least there's some allowance for me. Earlier on, my bag was this direction, was like that. Okay, which was not very comfortable, because you know, this metal thing over here, it's just, yeah, this metal piece on this side was just not very comfortable for my lower back. So I've shifted this delivery rack a little bit lower, so now it's better. I actually so there's a metal plate over here underneath. I mean, you guys can find your way. You guys will figure out, once you get this delivery rack, you guys will figure out which area to mount is the best. For me, I'm mounting it this way. You guys have a different bag, you guys may want to mount it a different way. If the screws doesn't work, you can always cable tie. Use cable tie, you'll be secure one. Regardless of what bag you're using, you know, it still works. Just get this rack. This rack is quite good, I would say. Better than my barbecue mesh rack. That one is cheap. It's it's $14, but it's not the most stable, Okay, let me just strap this, and we can begin soon. Still waiting for my order. This short clip is from the last episode on the top right. Click to watch it or check out one of my most updated playlists that I've selected for you. Fellow riders, see you on the streets.